Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this tankless water heater is worth it. Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater Overview. Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater boasts a GPM between 0.5 and 11.1, depending on the water's temperature. This water heater is designed to cut installation costs and time when replacing larger units with tanks. The unit's mounting makes its installation process much safer. Also, the unit features top water connections, eliminating the need to install additional water piping, and saving you much time when replacing a tank water heater with this unit. What we liked: easy and safer installation, multiple venting options, powerful and highly efficient, made of durable material, Wi-Fi capable. What we didn't like: it's pretty heavy. Features: top-mounted connections. This water heater's cold and hot water connections are located on the top, unlike most tankless water heaters. This design allows the flexible water pipes used by the water heater being replaced to be easily and quickly reconnected to this unit. Wi-Fi capability. The unit's Connect app allows you to remote control the water heater's functions wirelessly. You can also wirelessly remote control maintenance and diagnostic reminders. Dual stainless steel. This unit's heat exchangers are made of stainless steel. Inside this water heater are two heat exchangers made of stainless steel, giving them greater resistance to scale buildup and corrosion. This boosts the unit's lifespan significantly. Who is the Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater best suited for? The Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater is suited for anyone looking for a high-quality tankless water heater that can cater to the needs of at least 5 to 6 people. It's a perfect water heater for a single-family household such as a condominium or apartment. Verdict: should you get the Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater? What gives the Noritz EZ111 Tankless Water Heater an edge over other tankless water heaters in its class is its top-mounted water connections that allow for an easy and quick reconnection when replacing a tank water heater. It also has Wi-Fi capability, allowing you to remote control its functions wirelessly. Thus, if you want to replace your tank water heater with an efficient water heater, you should pick this unit. It will provide a continuous flow of hot water to your home. Thanks for watching.